Hidden within the dense, misty undergrowth of the Australian jungle, the highly venomous taipan and brown snake hunt among the rocks and ferns.
We have a slight variance on this section here. Yeah, noted. I'll adjust the tension immediately.
Meticulously crafted, our luxury bags receive the finest finish by hand, ensuring every detail is perfect.
All right, tilt it back slowly. That's good, that's good. Bring it forward now, easy does it.
The future of luxury logistics is here. Rich factory stories, delivering excellence worldwide. Wherever the road leads, we carry your legacy. Experience the journey with rich factory stories.
Keep it coming back. Down easy now. Set it right on the marker. Looks good.
Rich Factory Stories, delivering excellence to your door.
Another premium delivery from Rich Factory Stories. Handle with care, always.
They are ready for the opening tomorrow.
The Milano snake pattern is exclusive to this boutique. It truly complements your style.
I adore it. I'll take this one.
It's truly a beautiful piece. Here is your new bag. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it.
The craftsmanship on this piece is truly exceptional. Notice the hand-stitched detailing.
It's absolutely perfect. I'll take it.